Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm on the fourth of my 5 hotel reviews here in Blackpool. Now, if you see my previous warning video, I wasn't meant to be staying in this hotel. I was meant to be staying in another hotel which I'd previously reviewed once before. I gave it a very good rating. I thought it was a brilliant hotel. I go back this time to do a revisit, and it wasn't as nice an experience as it was the very first time, to the extent that I walked out instantly. But that left me with no hotel to review for that day. So I just thought to myself, do you know what? I looked on a search engine for a few hotels, but I got fed up looking, and I thought, do you know what? A hotel I've reviewed before, another one, a nice one that I like, and I've stayed in it before, and I reviewed it about 3 or 4 months ago, was the Lyndene. And I thought, do you know what, I'm just going to walk along. I was only 5 minutes walk away, and I thought I'll call in and see if there's a room available. They did have a room available, which is this one. It's a sea view triple room. It's midweek, so it's available. It's probably not going to be available for the weekend. So I'm lucky it's a Thursday and they had this room available. So I've booked this room. I'll tell you how much I paid for the room later on in the video. I wasn't meant to be reviewing this hotel again, so I'm going to do a mini review to show you this triple room with a sea view. And I'll do a little bit of a review around the hotel. It's already been done in the previous one, but that was a turkey and tinsel, so you would have seen loads of Christmas decorations in that previous Lyndene review, the very first one I did. So if you want to have a look at that one, just have a look through my videos and you'll find that previous Lyndene one. So this is a little revisit, but it isn't the hotel I was meant to be at. So let me show you the room that I booked this time. So first impression of the room, it looks really clean, really bright. I love the fact that it's a sea view. It's starting to go a little bit dark now. It's around about 4:30, with all the mess and trying to find another hotel to stay. So straight behind the door, you do have a cupboard, which I gather is your hanging space. Let's have a look. Yes, it's storage space, hangers. I'm only here for the one night, and this was the room that was available with a sea view. So you've got yourself a nice big double bed and a single bed. Bedside table. I'm going to have a little look for those Bibles now. I didn't used to do it, but I did start doing it. I don't think there is a Bible. No. Your 2 overhead bed lights. Bucket chair. Standard lamp, and we do have a kettle with a selection of teas and coffees. Yes, that's clean. Water, crisps, and some biscuits. A medium-sized flat-screen TV. A hairdryer. More drawer space down below here. And a safe. So let's pan back a bit so you can see the room. It's a really nice room. I actually love that view. And as I always say, one last room to check out, and that, of course, is the ensuite. Heated towel rail, toilet, sink, mirror. Shaving points are in the bathroom as well, and the walk-in shower. Hand and body wash, and it does have hair and body wash in the shower cubicle. Just get a longer shot of the bathroom. Yes, the pillows do have pillow protectors on. Nice clean sheets. And finally, is there? Yes, there's a mattress protector on. So there you go. Definitely got OCD, I have to put everything back. I was just about to make myself a cup of coffee, and I did mention before that there was a selection of biscuits, and I just thought, oh, they must give you a souvenir fridge magnet as well. And it isn't. When I turned it over, it's chocolate. Haven't seen that one before. I don't really think the hotel would have changed in the last 3 months, other than the fact there's no Christmas decorations up. But let's have a little wander around the hotel, see if there are any changes.
You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running.
You hurt me, and I know nobody else can ever do. I never.
Good morning from the Lyndene Hotel here in Blackpool. The hotel I was not meant to be in. I'm just looking out there, it's raining, but at least the snow stopped. We only got a little bit of snow yesterday. My verdict on my stay here at the Lyndene. Not much has changed really regarding the hotel. It's exactly the same as it was in November. It's February now. I stayed, you have to remember the night that I stayed. It was a Thursday night in February. The only thing different now is the Christmas decorations have gone. Now, As regarding nothing's changed, it has changed regarding the room, because when I arrived, I asked, did they have a sea view room, and I was given this room. Now, for future reference, this room's number is 33. If I ever come to stay in the Lyndene again, I will phone up and I request this room. It's got a lovely sea view. The room is quite large and very comfortable. The bed I slept in last night, I only slept in the single bed. There is a double bed, but I slept in the single bed. A really good night's sleep. Nice hot shower. It's everything you need. Entertainment last night, there was 2 singers on and a guy playing the organ and bingo. So there was entertainment the whole night. Breakfast this morning, I've just been for breakfast. The slight problem with the breakfast is the hotel is quite busy. And I hate taking videos of loads of people around. But I'll give you a quick run on the breakfast. There was tea, coffee, fruit juices, jams, marmalades, loads of cereal. Your breakfast, the cooked breakfast, is plated for you. So you go up to the hot plates and you pick what you want and it's plated for you. I personally wasn't that hungry today. So I missed out the black pudding and the tomato before anyone starts saying you only had it's only a small breakfast. I missed out the toast, the fried bread, the black pudding and the tomato. So that's why my plate looks a bit smaller. Right, would I stay at the Lyndene again? Of course I would do. As I said, if I come back, I'm going to request room 33. Staff have been really nice. The staff actually joke with a lot of the people that are here. They have a lot of mess around with them. Last night there was a couple of staff laughing and joking on the microphones across the room with all the staff. So it's very, very friendly atmosphere. Right, the price I paid for this room. Now remember, it's a triple room with a sea view. Right on the front of the hotel. You're virtually over the doorway. Remember, it's a Thursday night. It's February. For this room, bed and breakfast for one person was £80. Now, for 2 people to stay in this triple room with breakfast is £88, because I've asked how much it would be for 2 people to stay. And for 3 people, it's £98. So basically, I paid £80 for the one night. That's my choice. I wanted the sea view. But you could have 3 people in this room with the breakfast for £33 each a night. It is our season. Prices will change obviously at the weekends, and of course as we get further into the season the prices will change. Talking about prices, I came across this pamphlet in the foyer, and it's price packages and entertainment listings for the year. And it's pages and pages of each month right through to Christmas with the illuminations, and there's all deals going on throughout the year. So I'm just going to give you, for instance, a midweek price list. It's broke down like each week, and I'm looking just for instance here, which is a Monday to Friday starting either the 22nd or the 29th of April. Now this is just one that I'm picking out the list. Right, so for that Monday to Friday stay, either the 22nd or the 29th of April, will cost each person £188. £188 half board. Each person, Monday to Friday. Now, they have what's called a hotel credit as well. And this is basically on every week right throughout the year. Most of the weeks it does have this hotel credit, and I didn't understand what it meant, so I went to reception to find out. So you pay £188 for your half board for the Monday to Friday each person, and then it's called like a loaded card, which you load £30 on your hotel card as a credit. So you actually pay £218, which is £188, the initial price half board, plus the £30 credit, which you can use, say for instance, on the bar. It's your money, you've loaded it on. So it costs you £218. Now the good thing about this is you've loaded £30 onto your card, which you can spend on the bar or buy souvenirs or whatever else is available, and snacks and stuff like that. But the hotel doubles the credit. So you actually you've only put in £30 on your card to use on the bar, but they're giving you £60 credit. So you're getting £30 worth of drinks or credit extra for that £30. And that's throughout the year on most of the weeks. So basically that cuts down the initial bill of £188 down to £158, if you understand what I mean. So pay £188, ask for the £30 hotel credit, and they will load £60 on. That's just one deal. Right, so folks, it's time for me to wrap the video up. I've enjoyed my little stay here at the Lyndene. I wasn't meant to be here. So put down in the comments down below, do you like this hotel? Have you seen the hotel? Would you like to stay here? Do you like Blackpool? What do you think of that price? £80 for one person? Well, normally I wouldn't stay in a triple room, but I've got a sea view, so I thought, do you know what? Does it matter? But £98 for 3 people in this room with breakfast. That's not bad, £33 a person. Tell me what you think. I'm moving on. This is the 4th of 5 hotels while I'm here in Blackpool. One more to do. I'm off to that hotel now. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, and of course notification bell. Give it a ding and you'll be notified of any new videos coming your way. So from me, Paul, here at the Lyndene, I love you, leave you. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.